You're not imagining it. We are officially entering the era where people are forming emotional connections with machines sitting on their desk. And the Looi robot AI desktop companion might be one of the clearest signs yet that the future is getting weird in the best possible way. And most desk gadgets are useless after the first week. They blink, spin around, maybe play some music, and then eventually they become expensive decorations collecting dust next to your monitor. But devices like the Looi are they're trying to do something completely different. Instead of acting like a toy, this thing is designed to feel alive. It watches, it reacts, follows you with its eyes, responds to voice commands, and remembers the interactions and creates the illusion that there's actually a personality sitting beside your keyboard while you work, game, or scroll online. And the reason this category is exploding right now is because AI finally reached the point where interaction feels natural enough to become entertaining instead of annoying. And 5 years ago, desktop robots felt gimmicky because the software wasn't smart enough. You'd ask a question and get a robotic response that sounds like a GPS having a meltdown. Now, AI models can hold conversations, recognize patterns, and adapt to behavior and respond with enough personality that people start treating them more like companions than electronics. The Looi isn't trying to replace your phone or computer. It's trying to become a presence in your environment, almost like a digital pet mixed with a smart assistant and a futuristic sidekick. And one of the biggest reasons devices like this are getting attention is because modern setups are becoming personality driven. People spend ridiculous amounts of money customizing desks with RGB lights and keyboards and dual monitors, wall panels, and microphones and collectibles. So when you add an AI robot that moves around, reacts to your voice, and interacts with what you're doing, it immediately becomes the centerpiece of the setups. And the Looi specifically stands out because of how expressive it looks. A lot of small robots, they fail because they look too human without actually feeling human. And this thing avoids that by learning or leaning into a cute, stylized design that focuses more on emotion and movement than realism. The screen-based face gives a flexibility to display reactions and expressions that make interactions feel more dynamic. And humans naturally respond to eyes and movements, so even simple reactions make the device feel more intelligent than it really is. And what makes the Looi more interesting, uh, and then, the older desktop companions is the AI integration. Instead of just running pre-programmed animation, it can respond contextually. That means the experience, it changes depending on what you ask and how you interact. And some users want it as productivity companions that gives reminders, tracks schedules, or answers questions while they work. And other people want pure entertainment. They want a robot reacting to games, telling jokes, or acting chaotic during live streams. And that flexibility matters because consumers don't want single purpose gadgets anymore. If something sits on your desk every day, it needs to earn its space. Another thing that helps the Looi stand out in its mobility. A stationary smart display feels boring, and now because phones already do that better, but a robot that physically moves, turns, reacts, and follows actions across your desk creates the presence. Even subtle movements make technology feel more advanced because your brain interprets movement as awareness. A robot companion moving towards you when you speak creates the illusion of connection, even if you logically know it's software running on hardware. The craziest part is how quickly society normalized this concept. 10 years ago, people would laugh at the idea of spending money on an AI companion for their desk. Now, millions of people willing to talk to AI every day for productivity, entertainment, studying, brainstorming, and even emotional support. The Looi benefits from that timing because consumers are finally comfortable with conversations AI existing in physical form instead of only inside apps and websites. There's also a huge social media advantage with products like this too. Let's be honest, gadgets succeed today partially because they look cool in videos. A desktop robot recreating or reacting to your video or rolling around during gameplay clips instantly becomes content. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Instagram Reels reward visually interesting technology. And a tiny AI robot dancing beside a gaming setup gets attention way faster than another generic smart speaker sitting in a corner. Companies know this. Half the battle is making a product functional, and the other half is making people want it, film it. And the Looi definitely fits that category. And if you want to check out the specs, features, or the pricing, I dropped a link in the comments, or not in the comments, in the description, because this is one of the devices that makes way more sense once you actually see it in action. Plus, checking it out through the link helps support the channel. Another important thing to understand is that AI companions are probably going to become dramatically more advanced over the next year. Right now, these devices are mostly entertainment and convenience focused, but future versions could integrate deeply with smart homes, productivity systems, gaming ecosystems, and personal workflows. Imagine a desktop companion that recognizes your stress level during work, summarizes a notification, manages your tasks, and acts almost like a personal operator for your digital life. The Looi feels like an early glimpse of that transition. It's also interesting from a psychological perspective because humans naturally crave interaction, even with non-human objects. Studies have shown that people form attachments to digital pets and virtual assistants surprisingly quickly. Add physical movement and voice interactions in the mix, and the bond becomes even stronger. And during long sessions, gaming nights, or streaming marathons, having something interactive nearby changes the atmosphere. And for content creators specifically, devices like the Looi can become part of the brand identity. Streamers and YouTubers constantly search for ways to make setups look unique because viewers instantly recognize visual branding. A moving AI companion beside the monitor stands out immediately. It gives reaction, creates moments during stream, and makes the environment feel futuristic. And of course, no product is perfect. Some people will absolutely see this kind of device as unnecessary or gimmicky, and honestly, that criticism is fair to a degree. If only care about raw productivity, a regular smart speaker or phone assistant might technically accomplish similar tasks cheaper. But that completely misses the point. The appeal isn't just functionality, it's personality, engagement, the presence, and nobody buys RGB lighting because it improves computer performance. People buy it because it changes the experience of using the setup. And the Looi exists in that same category, except with far more interaction involved. And one thing I do appreciate is that the companies are finally experimenting again. For years, consumers tech felt repetitive. AI robots brings back experimental, and suddenly companies are trying weird ideas again. And that's exciting, even when products aren't perfect. Innovation usually starts awkward before it becomes mainstream. You know, and early smartphones looked ridiculous. The smart thing could absolutely happen with AI desktop companions. In a few years, it might feel completely standard for people to have some kind of interaction AI presence sitting beside their monitors every day. Whether the Looi become the dominant device or just part of the beginning, it's tapping into a trend that clearly has momentum behind it. If you've been curious about AI gadgets or you just want your setup to feel, more futuristic and interactive, this is definitely one of the more interesting devices to watch right now. And again, if you want to see the full specs, compatibility, or current pricing, check the link in the comments because the features list is honestly wild for something this small, and using the link genuinely helps support the channel, so I appreciate it. And at the end of the day, the Looi Robot AI Desktop Companion represents something bigger than just another desk toy. It represents the shift towards technology becoming more personal, expressive, and socially interactive. We're moving away from the cold tools and towards devices designed to feel present in our lives. And some people will think that's exciting, and some people will think it's creepy. But most people will probably think both at the same time. But regardless of how you feel about it, one of the things is obvious. The line between digital assistant, entertainment device, and companion is disappearing fast. And honestly, seeing a robot start staring at you from across your desk while reacting to your voice feels like one of those moments where the future suddenly stops sounding theoretical and starts rolling directly towards you on wheels. Before this category becomes completely flooded with copycats, this is probably one of the best times to experience what AI companion tech actually feels like firsthand. So if you're interested, take a look at the link in the comment or in the description. Check out the specs, watch some demos, and see if this thing deserves a place in your setup, because there's a real chance desktop AI companions are about to become the most massive tech trend.